Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your Play Store. Then what you have to do is to tap here. Go to the My Apps and Games, and here you can see all of your unupdated apps. Okay, so this is the updated apps, but as you can see I have no updates available. Like if you have some apps that are not up to date, they will be in this available updates section, and you can update them here. Like unfortunately all my apps are up to date, and I can't show you how it looks, but I assure you that in this section updates you will find all of your unupdated apps and you can update them here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.